Hello guys, I am Avni Kriti. Welcome to my channel Avni Online Tutorial. Today we are going to learn about computer science of class 7th, chapter 1 number system from CBSE board. Chapter 1 number systems. Contents are number system, decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, hexadecimal number system, decimal to binary conversion, binary to decimal conversion, binary addition, binary subtraction, binary multiplication, and binary division. Number system. A numeric digits we use today, that is 1, 2 and 3, are based on Hindu-Arabic numeral systems developed over years ago. Different names for the number 0 include 0, Nuf, Not, Nil, Zain and Zil. Number system. So what is number system? A number system is simply a method of counting. Computers have their own number system, the binary system. The digital computer represents all kinds of data and information in binary numbers. It includes audio, graphics, video, text and numbers. Some important number systems are given below. Number 1. Decimal number system. Number 2. Binary number system. Number 3. Octal number system. And number 4. Hexadecimal number systems. Computer use binary, octal and hexadecimal number system. Decimal number system. A decimal number system consists of 10 digits from 0 to 9. These digits can be used to represent any numeric values. The base of decimal number system is 10. The value of the number is determined by multiplying the digit with the weight of their position and adding the result. The following table shows positions weight of decimal number 856 base 10. Real value of each digit is 6 multiplied 10 to the power 0, 5 multiplied 10 to the power 1 and 8 multiplied 10 to the power 2. Its weight 10 to the power 0, 10 to the power 1 and 10 to the power 2. Its result. The result for 6 multiplied 10 to the power 0 is 6. Result for 5 multiplied 10 to the power 1 is 50 and result for 8 multiplied 10 to the power 2 is 800. Then we have to add all the numbers 800 plus 50 plus 6 and our answer is 856 base 10. 6 is the least significant digit and 8 is the most significant digit. Binary number system. Binary number system consists of two digits 0 and 1. Its base is 2. Each digit or bit in binary number system can be 0 or 1. A binary number system is made up of only zeros and ones. For example, 101 base 2 is the binary number. Each digit in this system is said to be a bit. Octal number system. Octal number system consists of 8-digit numbers from 0 to 4. The base of octal system is 8. Each digit position in this system represents a power of 8. Hexadecimal number system. The hexadecimal number system consists of 16 digits from 0 to 9 and A to F. The letter A to F represent decimal numbers from 10 to 15. The base of these number system is 16. Each digit's positions in hexadecimal number system represents power of 16. Decimal to binary conversion. Example 1. Convert decimal number 27, that is 27 base 10 to binary. Solution. Decimal value 27. Objective. Convert decimal value to binary. Solution with step. Divide the decimal number by 2. The value is 27 and we have to divide it from 2. Its quotient is 13 and remainder is 1. Then again we have to divide 13 with 2. Our quotient is 6 and remainder is 1. Then we have to divide 6 with 2. its quotient is 3 and remainder is 0. Then again we have to divide 3 to 2 and our quotient is 1 and remainder is also 1. Start listing the last quotient and all remainders as follows. So we have got our result, that is 27 base 10 equals to 11011 base 2. Binary to decimal conversion. Example 1. What is 10101 base 2 in decimal number? Solution. Binary value equals to 10101. Solution with steps. Its face value is 10101. Its least significant digits. The power of 2 start from 0 and increase to 1, 2, 3 and 4. Its position is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And its weight is 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3 and 2 to the power 4. Now we have to do face value multiply weight, that is 1 multiply 2 to the power 0, 0 multiply 2 to the power 1, 1 multiply 2 to the power 2, 0 multiply 2 to the power 3 and 1 multiply 2 to the power 4. And our values are 1 multiply 2 to the power 0 equals to 1, 0 multiply 2 to the power 1 is 0, 1 multiply 2 to the power 2 is 4, 0 multiply 2 to the power 3 is 0, 1 multiply 2 to the power 4 is 16. Add up all the result products, that is 16 plus 0 plus 4 plus 1 equals to 21. And our answer is there, 10101 base 2 equals to 21 base 10. Example 2. What is 10111.1011 base 2 in decimal number? Solution with step. So its face value is 10111.011. Least significant digits. The power of 2 starts from 0 and increase to 1, 2, 3 and 4. And for the right side of point, the power of 2 starts from -1, -2 and -3. Its position from left side of decimal point is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And from right side of decimal point is -1, -2 and -3. Its weight from left side of point is 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, 2 to the power 3 and 2 to the power 4. For the right side of point it is 2 to the power -1, 2 to the power -2 and 2 to the power -3. Then we have to do face value multiply weight. That is 1 multiply 2 to the power 0, 1 multiply 2 to the power 1, 1 multiply 2 to the power 2, 0 multiply 2 to the power 3 and 1 multiply 2 to the power 4. From right side of point, 0 multiply 2 to the power -1, 1 multiply 2 to the power -2 and 1 multiply 2 to the power -3. Its values are 1 multiply 2 to the power 0 is 1, 1 multiply 2 to the power 1 is 2, 1 multiply 2 to the power 2 is 4, 0 multiply 2 to the power 3 is 0 and 1 multiply 2 to the power 4 is 16. And from this side, 0 multiply 2 to the power -1 is 0, 1 multiply 2 to the power -2 is 0.25 and 1 multiply 2 to the power -3 is 1.125. Add up all the result products, that is 16 plus 0 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1 equals to, and from right side of point is 0.0 plus 0.25 plus 0.125 equals to 0.375. So here we have got our result, that is 10111.011 base 2 equals to 23.375 base 10. Binary addition. Binary addition is much easier than the decimal addition when you remember the following tricks or rules. Using these rules, any binary number can be easily added. The 5 rules of binary additions are: 0 plus 0 sum 0 and carry 0. 0 plus 1 sum 1 and carry 0. 1 plus 0 sum 1 and carry 0. 1 plus 1 sum 0 and carry 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1 sum 1 and carry is also 1. Problems. Solution for 1a is: at step 1 we have to do 0 plus 1, that is 1. Then in step 2, 0 plus 0 is 0. Step 3, 0 plus 1 is 1. And at last in step 4, 1 plus 0, as nothing is there, so it is 1. So our final result is 1101. Solution 1 of B. Step 1, 1 plus 1 is 0, carry into next column 1. Step 2, 1 plus 1 is 0, carry into next column 1. Then 1 plus 1 is 0, carry into next column 1, and then 1 plus 1 0, carry into next column 1, that is 1 plus 0, as nothing is here, it is 1. So our final result is 10000. Binary additions. 1 plus 1 0, carry 1. Then 1 plus 0 0. 0 plus 0 plus 1 plus 1 is 0. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 0, and 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 1 1. Binary subtraction. In binary subtraction, binary number of lower value is subtracted from the binary numbers of higher value. So here some rules are: 0 minus 0 subtract 0 and borrow 0. 0 minus 1 subtract 1 and borrow also 1. In this, which actually come from 10 minus 1 equals to 1, as you borrow 1 from the closest digit to the left, and after all that the one you borrow becomes 0. Then 1 minus 0 subtract 0 and borrow 0. 1 minus 1 subtract 0 and borrow 0. Problem 1. Subtract 1 1 base 2 from 1 100 base 2. Solution. Step 1. 0 minus 1, that is 1, we have to do borrow. Step 2. 1 minus 1, that is 0. Step 3. 0 minus 1 minus 1, 0 is 0. And step 4. 1 minus 0 is 1. So our final result is 1001. Subtract 1101 base 2 from 100110 base 2. Solution. 0 minus 1 is 1. We have to do borrow. 1 minus 1 0. Step 3. 1 minus 1 0. Step 4. 0 minus 1 1. Step 5. 1 minus 0 is 1. And we have to write here 1. So our final result is 11001. Borrow method. All you have to do is aligning a number as you would do with regular decimal subtraction. The procedure is almost the same. The only difference is that you operate with only 2 digits, not 10. You need the subtract digits in the same columns following these rules. Here's 1 minus 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, 0 minus 0 is 1, and 0 minus 1 is 1, which actually comes from 10 minus 1 equals to 1, as you borrow 1 from the closest digits to the left, and after all that the 1 you borrowed becomes 0. Binary multiplication. Binary numbers are multiplied in the same manners as decimal number. When two binary numbers are multiplied for each digits to the second numbers, the product of that digits of the first binary number is calculated. Its rule is 0 multiply 0 is 0, 0 multiply 1 is 0, 1 multiply 0 is 0, and 1 multiply 1 is 1. Problem. Multiply 1001 base 2 from 111 base 2. Its solution. 1 multiply 1 is 1, 1 multiply 0 is 0, 1 multiply 0 is 0, 1 multiply 1 is 1. And in second, 1 multiply 1 is 1, 1 multiply 0 is 0, 1 multiply 0 is 0, and 1 multiply 1 is 1. And in third step, 1 multiply 1 is 1, 1 multiply 0 is 0, 1 multiply 0 is 0, and 1 multiply 1 is 1. So here we have to add all the values, that is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 and 1. Our final result is given here. Binary division. Binary numbers are also divided in a manner similar to decimal number. Its rule is 0 by 1 division 0 and 1 by 1 division 1. Problem. Divide 11011 base 2 from 101 base 2. Solution. As it is given here, we have to divide 11010 divide 101. Our answer is 101 and remainder is 1. Important summary. Binary number system. System digits 0 and 1. Bit a single binary digit. LSB the rightmost bit. MSB the leftmost bit. Upper byte a right hand byte or of a pair. Lower byte the left hand byte of a pair. Important summaries. Binary equivalents. 1 byte equals to 4 bits, 1 byte equals to 2 bytes and 8 bits, 1 kilobytes equals to 1024 bytes, 1 megabytes equals to 1024 kilobytes equals to 1048576 bytes, and 1 gigabyte equals to 1024 megabytes equals to 1073741824 bytes. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching my video tutorials. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel, Avni Online Tutorial.